In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Gemini on Gmail. If you've been seeing AI-assisted prompts in your inbox, things like suggested replies, writing help, or automated sorting those live under Gmail's smart features, which include Gemini-powered capabilities, we're going to switch those off right from Gmail settings. Nothing in your mailbox will be deleted. You'll simply stop getting AI suggestions and automated behaviors. And if you change your mind later, you can come back and turn them on again. Start inside your Gmail inbox on a computer for the clearest layout. In the top right, open Settings using the gear icon. That opens the main panel where you control how Gmail behaves. If you only see a compact menu, choose See All Settings, so you're on the full settings page and everything is easy to find. Once you're in, look for the place where you can manage features. In many layouts, this appears as a link or section labeled Manage Features or Smart Features and Personalization. The wording can vary a little, but the purpose is the same. This is where Google groups the intelligent tools that read signals from your email to offer conveniences like suggestions, summaries, and automated organization. Open that area, then turn off the smart features. When you switch this off, Gmail stops using the content of your emails to drive AI-based suggestions. That disables things like smart compose as you type, smart reply chips under messages, automatic categorizations such as promotions and social, and gentle nudges that bubble up messages you might have missed. Your email stays exactly where it is. You're just removing the AI layer that predicts and assists. After flipping the toggle, confirm the change is saved. Most of the time, it's applied instantly, but if you see a Save Changes button at the bottom of the page, click it before leaving. Back in your inbox, compose a new email or open a thread to verify the change. You should no longer see predictive text or those quick reply suggestions. If you don't immediately see a Manage Features section, scroll through the General tab and look carefully for Smart Features wording, or use your browser's Find tool to search for Smart Features. If you're on a work or school account, some options might be controlled by your organization, which can limit your ability to make changes here. That's all it takes. You opened Settings, went to Manage Features, and turned off the Smart Features to disable Gemini-powered assistance in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to fine-tune your inbox experience.